Have you ever said this sentence? I'll do it tomorrow. Not because you don't care. Not because you're not ambitious. But because you just don't feel like doing it today. You have big dreams. You want to improve your English. You want to build something. You want to change your life. But when it's time to start, you scroll. You wait. You delay. And you tell yourself, I'll do it tomorrow. If you are ambitious but lazy, this podcast is for you. Let's understand something important. You are not lazy. You are overwhelmed. There is a big difference. Lazy people don't care. You care. That's why you feel guilty. You don't avoid action because you're weak. You avoid action because the task feels too big. Your brain sees the goal, but it also sees the effort. And it chooses comfort. Comfort is easy. Growth is uncomfortable. So your brain says, tomorrow. But here is the truth. Tomorrow is the most dangerous word for ambitious people. Because tomorrow feels safe, feels responsible, feels planned. But most of the time, tomorrow never comes. Let's talk about why this happens. When you say, I'll do it tomorrow, you are protecting your identity. You want to be the person who will do it, not the person who failed. So instead of trying and maybe failing today, you delay it. It feels better to postpone than to risk failure. But here's the problem. Every time you delay, you teach your brain something. You teach it that your words don't matter. You teach it that your goals are optional. And slowly, your confidence becomes weaker. Not because you are incapable, but because you don't trust yourself anymore. Small promises matter. If you tell yourself, I will study English for 20 minutes, and you don't do it, you lose a little self-respect. But if you say, I will study for 5 minutes, and you do it, you build power. Ambitious but lazy people don't need motivation. They need smaller actions. So what should you do instead of saying, I'll do it tomorrow? Say this, I'll start for 5 minutes. Not finish. Not complete. Just start. Starting removes fear. Once you begin, your brain relaxes. The task becomes smaller. And most of the time you continue. Action creates motivation, not the opposite. Don't wait to feel ready. Start while feeling lazy. Start while feeling unmotivated. Start while feeling unsure. Because discipline is not about being perfect. It's about keeping small promises to yourself. If you are ambitious but lazy, remember this. You don't need a new personality. You need smaller steps. You don't need more motivation. You need momentum. And momentum begins today. Not tomorrow. And now think about this. What is one small thing you've been postponing? After this podcast ends, don't say tomorrow. Say 5 minutes. And start.